Welcome, I'm Tommy, CEO of PlatformCore. This video will show you how to integrate correctly in a matter of minutes. First of all, I invite you to go to platformcore.pw/signup. Then, if you have an ad blocker, please add our domain to your ad blocker whitelist. Simply click on the ad blocker extension. Then, on the Allow or Unblock button, it depends on the ad blocker, you can click on it. It will add to your whitelist this domain. Afterwards, you can register by selecting your country, then you can fill out the form with your email, password, and ticking the terms and conditions box. You can create your account. Welcome in the PlatformCore web application. For the moment, you can't use the platform because we need to connect and integrate specific platforms to activate every PlatformCore section. I invite you to go to Settings, then Link Accounts. In this specific dashboard, you have the ability to give social, analytics, or even your WordPress website access to PlatformCore. To make the process even quicker, I invite you to log in and integrate all platforms you will use. Here's a tip. You have informative bubble, which can help you to integrate each specific section. You have a link here. We will begin with Facebook. Simply click in the No Yes button. Continue with your profile. Select one or multiple pages. You will grant those permissions to PlatformCore. Click Done. Then click Yes. You have successfully connected Facebook. We will continue with LinkedIn. Click on the No Yes button. You will grant those permissions to PlatformCore. Click Allow. You have successfully connected LinkedIn. We will continue with Twitter. You can connect by clicking No Yes button. You are redirected here, and you can authorize the app. Again, you have successfully connected your Twitter. We will continue with Google Analytics. Click on the No Yes button. Select your account. Allow the first permission. Allow the second permission. You will grant those permissions by clicking Allow. And then you have successfully connected Google Analytics. The following process will be a little bit more technical. We will implement WordPress into PlatformCore. First of all, click on the download icon. You will download the PlatformCore REST plugin. Save it. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Add New. Now click on Upload Plugin. You can select or drag and drop the plugin directly in the Choose file and Install now. Now you can activate the plugin. The plugin is now activated. We can see it here, PlatformCore REST endpoint. Now I invite you to copy paste your domain. Click on the No Yes button below the WordPress icon. Paste your WordPress URL and give your ID and password. Tick this box and connect. It has been successfully linked. We will now integrate a support within your website. First of all, click on the code icon. You will have to place 2 tags into your website. If you have a website, a WordPress website, you will have to go to your WordPress dashboard and install a new plugin. Go to Plugins and Add New. Go to the search bar and write down Insert Headers and Footers. This is the right plugin, Insert Headers and Footers. Click Install Now. Then activate. As you can see, Insert Headers and Footers has been activated. Now you can go to Settings and go to Insert Headers and Footers. In the header space, you have to copy paste the first tag. In the footer, you will have to copy paste the second tag. Then click Save. You can check if the tags are working by going directly to your website As you can see, you can click on the live chat bubble. You have now successfully integrated your live chat bubble. We will now integrate Dialogflow. First of all, you must have connected your live chat support bubble to let Dialogflow connected. Don't do this process before integrating your live chat support. First of all, click on the No Yes button. It will ask you to log into Dialogflow console. When connected, you can create a service account key. You have to select your agent and click JSON, then create. You have to save it. Now you can close. You can add directly this key into your interface. Select the language, then click Next. You can give a picture for your bot. You can also integrate an automatic reply by the bot. Click Yes, enable this feature. You can also name your agent. Then click Save and proceed. The bot was integrated successfully. You can test directly into your website. Click in New Incognito window and go to your website. The live chat bubble is appearing and you can test it. As you can see, it's working. Now that everything has been connected, you can click in Big Analytics and Title Report. This report has been automatically generated, which means that you have to add some components. Click on Add Components. We will create a social report. Click on each component you want. Then go back. We will rename this report Social Report and save this report. The template saved successfully. It needs a bit time to populate the data. If you want to create another report, click on Create Report Template and add some components. This time we will add some Google Analytics components. And go back to the report. We will rename it and save it. If you have multiple properties, you can select them directly here, or even multiple views. Now the data has been populated. We will now continue to Content Management section. In this section, you can check everything which has been created into your WordPress website. You have your posts and pages. If you want to quick edit something, just click on it. You can change the title, the slug, the author. You can even create a private article. You can change the category, the tags. You can allow comments, pings, and change the status. And you can click on Update. If you want to have a deeper edition, click on Edit. You can change the article. You can change the category, post title, status, visibility, tags, change the featured image. You can even create pages. Those pages has the same functionality as posts. We will continue to social management. Go to Newsfeed. In the Newsfeed section, you can change the stream. A stream is a single page or multiple page which can be generated into this single interface. Simply click on the on-off button to let them display those pages and then click Save. It takes a bit time to populate all data. Then you can interact directly and in real time with your audiences. You can comment and reply to those comments directly here. Now we can go to create new posts. You can select multiple pages or social media. You can select a page directly here. You can create a post. You can add an image or a video. And you can integrate to the queue if you want to schedule a post. If you want to see these posts in the queue, go to queue, select the social media, and as you can see, this post is here as pending. It says that the post will be published on January the 24th at 3. You can also preview the post if you want to. You can also check agenda view. You can see that the post is here and it's scheduled. Now we are going to the support management section, which is the last one. The support management section is a place where all your communication through your live chat bubble, like here, are integrated. All communication are listed here. If you have integrated Dialogflow, you can switch and assign to a bot, which is the case right here. Be careful. If you have connected your Dialogflow and you have enabled the handoff automatic conversation, when you're going to a conversation like here, the handoff is automatically stopped, which means that you have to go back to the handoff section, go to the bot and click on Dialogflow again. It has to be assigned to the bot right here. If you want to take control of the conversation, go to Assign to and Self, and you can continue the conversation directly with someone. As you can see, you can change information about the user. Here's the first name. You can say this is test first name. You can change the last name. You can give an email address and even a phone number. Right here, you have all information about your user. You can see when it has been connected, what was the initial page, when did begin the conversation, what kind of material user is using. It's a Chrome into a Mac. The chat started at 2:39. And if a user is going to another page, you will see it here. You can convert this chat into a ticket. You can copy the transcript. You can email the transcript. You can print it. You can even add a note if you want to. You can add a tag. You can ban and you can delete. We have finished the integration to PlatformCore. If you have any issue, I invite you to the live chat bubble and ask for support. If you need to give a feedback, you can use this tool. You can drop some file if you want to, then click Submit. I hope everything was clear. If you need any help, please send us a feedback or directly chat with us through the live chat support. Have a nice day.